So there are many types of competitions internationally and nationally nowadays. Latte art competitions, for example, focuses on the innovative and skilled latte pictures in the cup, or cup tasters. The ability to hone your tasting skills to grasp the differences in the taste of coffees. Barista Competitions, on the other hand, focuses on the overall general knowledge of the coffee and its industry. We need to research and really prepare what coffee we want to showcase, what's so special about it, and why we love it. So this includes creating profiles for the coffee, finding the right milking recipe to create a good milk beverage, and then using extreme ingredients to create a perfect signature beverages. And on top of it all, we have to use different vessels for each of the routines, and so we have to find the perfect vessels for each of the cups so that the coffee tastes really good.